Today we're making an Italian calzone with homemade dough, crispy on the outside, irresistibly filled and incredibly delicious on the inside. Perfect for any occasion. I show you step by step how to easily make it at home. First add 335 grams or 11.8 ounces of water to a large bowl. Add 8 grams or 0.28 ounces of yeast. It will ensure that the dough rises beautifully. Optionally, you can add a coffee spoon of sugar. It provides energy for the yeast and speeds up fermentation. Dissolve the yeast in lukewarm water. This allows it to distribute evenly and activate properly. Add 500 grams of pizza flour or Italian type 0 flour. This flour is comparable to Manitoba flour. The difference from regular flour lies in its protein and gluten structure. Type 0 has a higher protein content, providing the elasticity needed for pizza or calzone dough, which helps achieve a soft yet firm texture. This makes it ideal for creating doughs that can show their shape while baking, resulting in the perfect crust. While kneading, slowly add 30 grams or 0.54 ounces of salt so it can distribute evenly and not interface with the yeast. This will make the dough smooth and give it the perfect flavor. Once the dough is smooth, remove it from the mixer and place it in a large bowl. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 6 to 8 hours at the room temperature. If you are short on time, you can increase the yeast to 15 to 20 grams or 0.5 to 0.7 ounces and let the dough rise for just 2 to 3 hours. However, a longer resting time enhances the flavor and creates a lighter texture. Dust your work surface with some semolina and place the dough on top. Sprinkle a little over the dough as well to prevent sticking. Semolina and durum wheat flour are both made from durum wheat. The difference is that semolina is ground more finely, offering a smoother texture. Gently stretch the dough lengthwise, so it becomes even and ready for the next steps. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces, so you can make 3 perfectly portioned calzones. Shape each piece into a ball and let them rise again for 30 minutes. This allows the dough to relax, otherwise it will shrink back when shaped. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the delicious tomato sauce for the filling. To start the filling, place the peeled tomatoes into a bowl. This is the base of our flavorful sauce. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Crush the tomatoes with your hands until you achieve a nice chunky consistency. Season them with a pinch of salt. High quality olive oil is a must. It perfectly rounds off the filling. Mix all the ingredients well. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Dust the table again with semolina before flattening the dough and spreading it evenly. Flatten the dough gently with your fingertips, working from the center outward. Finally, stretch it slightly by hand. By the way, the word calzone means trouser in Italian. The filled dough pocket is said to resemble folded trousers. Quite a creative name for such a delicious dish. Spread the tomato sauce on only half of the dough. This leaves the other half free for folding and ensures the calzone can be sealed properly. Add some dry mozzarella to keep the dough from getting soggy. If you're using fresh mozzarella, let it drain in a colander for 1 to 2 hours beforehand. Fold the calzone carefully and make sure the edges don't overlap. What's your favorite calzone filling? Let us know in the comments below. Seal the edges well and fold them to ensure the calzone is tightly closed. This prevents the filling from spilling out during baking and ensures a perfect result. You can customize the calzone however you like. Add ham, salami, mushrooms or even vegetables. Tailor it exactly to your taste. Sprinkle some semolina on the pizza peel to prevent sticking and carefully transfer the calzone onto it. Handle it gently to maintain its shape. Spread a little tomato sauce on the top of the calzone. This keeps the surface soft during baking and prevents it from becoming too dry or hard. Plus, it adds extra flavor. Bake the calzone at the highest temperature your oven allows. Depending on your oven type, it will take 6 to 12 minutes. The result, perfectly crispy, golden and absolutely irresistible. Here is another delicious recipe for you. Lasagna with spinach and ricotta. Don't miss it.